In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear transients in WordPress. If you're aiming to optimize your WordPress website's performance, managing transients is a crucial part of that process. Transients are essentially temporary options used by WordPress to store cached data that only needs to be stored for a finite period. Over time, these can accumulate and potentially lead to sluggish performance on your site. But don't worry. Clearing them is something we can handle with ease, thanks to a handy tool called the Transients Manager plugin. Let's start by installing and activating the Transients Manager plugin on your WordPress site. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type Transients Manager. Once it pops up in the search results, click Install Now. After it finishes installing, make sure to click the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. This action will add new functionality to your WordPress dashboard, making it easier to manage and clear transients. Now that the plugin is activated, you need to navigate to the section where you can manage transients. Go to your WordPress dashboard again and look for the Tools menu. Under this dropdown, you'll now find a new option labeled Transients. Click on it. This will bring you to a comprehensive interface where all the transients stored in your database are neatly listed. This page provides a centralized overview, allowing you to efficiently manage these entries. You might notice there's a variety of transients present. This is normal, as plugins and themes often store temporary data using transients. From here, you're presented with several actions you can take. If you want to view the details of a specific transient, simply click on its name. This can be helpful if you're trying to identify what certain transient data is being used for. Deleting transients is straightforward. If there are specific transients you wish to remove, you can do so by selecting them and clicking the Delete option. For a more thorough cleanup, you might choose to perform bulk deletions, which can significantly free up your database. Simply select multiple transients using the checkboxes next to their names, then choose Delete Selected to remove them all at once. In addition, this plugin allows editing of transient names, values, and expiration times. This functionality can be quite useful if you need to extend the lifetime of certain transients or modify their data for testing purposes. You can also suspend transient rights. This is particularly useful when you're debugging your site, as it allows you to test changes without new transient data being written to the database. By regularly managing transients, you're taking a proactive step in ensuring your WordPress site runs smoothly and efficiently. This simple routine can contribute to a faster, more reliable website experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your WordPress site effectively.